G'day guys, Steve Morgan here for Fishing Monthly magazines in Miami, Florida for one of Mercury's biggest launches I've been to. This is a motor they've kept very, very secret. In fact, I had to sign documents to say that I wasn't going to mention that this motor even existed, let alone talk about it. But we're at the launch here. It's coinciding with the Miami International Boat Show, and here it is. This is Mercury's new platform. It's a four-stroke platform. It's 3.4 litres, and that's a big displacement four-stroke. It's bigger than the L6 Verado, and it's bigger than the 2.3 to 3 litre Optimaxes that this motor is going to replace. The entire L4 Verado line is going to be gone, and some of the smaller Optimaxes are going to be gone, replaced by this motor. It's a pretty aggressive looking motor, and there are some reasons for that soon. But let's go through some of Mercury's claims. The way it's going to happen is, as you're watching this video now, the motor is officially getting launched at the Miami Boat Show. Within 24 to 48 hours, we'll be able to come back to you with some on-the-water footage and some on-the-water performance statistics of how this motor goes. So it's the 3.4 litre, available in 175, 200 and 225 horsepower. Mercury claimed that it's extremely torquey, and more torquey than anything it's replacing because of that 3.4 litre powerhead. There is no replacement for displacement. They also claim it's the lightest in its class. This motor here weighs in at 215 kilograms. My old 225 Optimax Pro XS used to weigh in at over 230 kilograms, so it's definitely lighter than some of its predecessors. It also claims very quick acceleration from its quad cam design, and some of Mercury's racing heritage comes in to make this thing one of the quickest accelerating outboards on the water. Also, Mercury claims something called advanced range optimization, and that's really a long word for really good fuel economy. They're going to be pushing the line between lean burn and standard burn technology to make sure you get every kilometre possible out of that litre of fuel that you've got. Also, they claim very quiet operation. They've always designed these motors to be very amenable to the user. They claim up to 50% less vibration than its competition, and between 10 and 20% quieter in different ranges. They have another thing called adaptive speed control that they've adapted from their stern drive outboards, and what it does is it keeps the RPM the same whether you're driving in a straight line or you're turning a big corner. It keeps that RPM up, and it makes for a real exciting driving experience. One of the cool things that you'll notice, and we'll show some cutaways of this, is the top cowl door. To check your oil, you don't have to take the whole cowl off anymore. You push a button, up the cowl comes, you can access your dipstick, and you can access all of the unlocking latches for the cowling in one area. Pop the door, pull the handle, the whole cowl comes off, pop the door, pull the dipstick out, and check your oil. So those basic maintenance things you need to do all through one very simple area, just like a car. The other things that Mercury claimed tonight, and we haven't had this on the water yet, is a thing called innovative charging. What we do with these boats and these motors is we load them up with electronics, and sometimes the alternator can't keep up with the charge required. The motor senses this now. These motors deliver 80 amps at wide open throttle and 20 amps at idle. But if it senses you're using more than that while you're idling, it ups the idle speed and gives you the current you need to keep your batteries in great condition. One of the cool things though, and this is something that you'll really notice, is this is going to come in some pretty cool colours. Of course, it's Mercury, so you can get it in black, but there are 3 shades of white, and there is a customisable panel on the back. It comes in silver, red, blue, all sorts of colours, and in fact a primed panel that your boat manufacturer can paint it the same colour as the boat. So these motors are going to be more customisable now to make you, your pride and joy, and your new Mercury look absolutely fantastic. So that's just a first glimpse at the new 3.4 litre Mercury four-stroke. We're going to see it on the water tomorrow, so keep tuned on Fishing Monthly's Facebook page to see more about it in the next couple of days.